Hello, friends. You're welcome again to your own channel Fun with Tanu Gaming. So, in the previous video, I gave you introduction about this game. Now I told you about kitchen. So here we go. I have completed making my food, and I can see I have finished my grilled fish. So let me show you how many ingredients are there. The ingredients are available and the amount of digging you have done. I can make any of these items, but only if I am having the materials available. Like you can see, we are having apple, sugar, coal. So the amount available with you, you can make any food you want. I will again start grilled fish. Okay, and here we see karva. So in karva, you can purchase various materials in the exchange of money. Like you can purchase 5 sugar cubes for 30 rupees, and it will take 30 minutes to complete this task. Likewise, you can purchase millers for amount 30 minutes. Likewise, you can purchase wood, stones, coal, apple, as well as money and experience, depending upon your need. I will purchase millers because my millers are finished as of now. You can purchase the last karva. I have not purchased this one yet, but you can purchase it for 10,000 rupees each. Friends, basically I am in this video to tell you about the last tile finder. The last tile finder is available in extras. The last time tile finder, I have already purchased this one. You can see that. Now, where can you use the last tile finder? Like you know that we are having various locations. Now in various locations to complete, when you finish all the tiles, like I enter in the furniture studio, whenever we finish all the tiles in our location, we get reward, experience reward. Like here we will get 2300 experience reward. But even when you miss one tile, this experience will not be allotted to you. In this case, the last tile finder is very important. Whenever you will purchase the last tile finder, you will see an icon here. You can see when I click it, the last tile finder cannot be activated. It can only be activated if you have less than 10 tiles left. So let's go digging and let's see what does a last tile finder do. Okay, first make sure you dig all the tiles, and you have, before activating this, you have less than 10 tiles left. Always ensure that you are digging all the tiles to get the experience, because experience is very important, because the equipment boxes get unlocked only when your experience get higher. Okay, let's go digging. Now you see all my stored energy is getting finished. So if you need extra energy, I previously told you that the food you make in kitchen will give you extra energy. See, now I go to bag, I go to consumables, and this is the energy I have made in kitchen. Now I'm having dill soup, and I think I will enjoy the dill soup. So let's get some energy. This feature helps you to dig a very hard location which require large amount of energy. Okay, we are still having 20 tiles left. Okay, now I don't know. I am having. Okay, we have dug 325 tiles out of 327. I don't know where the 2 tiles are. So let's now activate our. After you activate the last star finder, it will help you to track down all the tiles left in location. So let's activate. See, the yellow light shows you the path to the tiles. Okay, click on again and see, it will show you the path. Follow the yellow light and it shows you the path. And bingo, see, we got the location, we got the experience, and you can double it by using the